If you move to the Philippines, you may have need of a locksmith, to make extra keys, to replace keys that were lost. Some people can make keys, but a locksmith can unlock locks that you don't have a key to anymore. So we found a locksmith downtown that can do all these things. Let's take a look. Looking for a locksmith? There you go. Right across from Mr. Do-It-Yourself. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay if I had a video in here? That's where they make the keys. Thank you, sir. Keys, many keys. If you find this kind of video helpful, please click on that little gator down there in the lower right hand corner. That's our subscribe button. That will allow us to know what kind of videos that you like to see and help us to make more videos that you might enjoy or might find useful. Thank you for your participation. You can also like and share the video. Thank you very much. We'll see you in the next video.